Give him your ID so we can leave.
Give it to him.
Give him your ID
I want his
so we
name.
can leave. Just give him your fucking ID. You ain't got nothing to hide. Give him your fucking ID.
You should know.
Let him violate your rights.
What's worse than a bad cop trying to use his power and authority to intimidate you into giving up your ID? Well, probably not much, but if there was something worse, it would probably be a carload of your friends telling you to let the bad cop violate your rights while the bad cop is attempting to violate your rights.
Didn't I tell you no already? You got rocks in your ear?
Give him your ID since we have nothing to hide so we can go on our way.
Smart. And yours, sir?
You get nothing from me, sir. I told you you're not violating my rights.
Hop out of the car and stand
What am I going to get out of the car for?
Break.
Rick,
I'm not getting
Give me your ID.
I'm obligated.
and
Sir,
please
what?
don't
Do not
touch him.
touch me. Yes.
Don't touch
I
him.
promise you, if
Do not
I'm
touch
telling
me.
you to get out, you need to get out. You'll be placed under arrest right now just for
For what though?
For what?
Okay, stepping out, put your hands behind
For
your back.
what?
Give him your ID so we can
Give
leave.
it to him.
Give him your ID
I want his
so we
name.
can leave. Just give him your fucking ID. You ain't got nothing to hide. Give him your fucking ID.
You should know.
Let him violate your rights.
Wait, let this clown violate your rights? Man, with friends like this, who needs badged tyrant enemies? The guy in the back seat here is Rick. Rick is standing up for his rights. Rick's friends and the lying cop are trying to convince Rick to give up his rights. Let's see how this pans out. Will Rick cave to the pressure?
What's going on, guys?
Not much. How are you?
Good, thanks. Yeah, I just stopped you because you cut that car off from you.
No, I didn't.
Yeah,
I
you
signaled
did.
and
Have your ID on you?
made a lane change.
Sure, you too, sir.
Oh, no, sir.
What's that?
No, sir.
It seems to me that you seen me go by the stoplight
Ma'am, I need your ID too.
and you stopped me based just because you seen what I look like. Because I didn't break any law.
Yeah.
The ones following us.
Is anybody on probation or parole?
Nope.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
No, he's not.
Are you on
No.
probation or parole? Okay, and you guys are refusing to give me your IDs, right?
I thought that they didn't have to give you their ID if you just stopped me for a
I'm
traffic
requesting,
violation.
So, are you going to give it to me or not?
Can you call your lieutenant or sergeant here?
I'm the sergeant.
Okay, can you call your superior here?
No, he's not working. I'm the top rank right now.
So what did you stop me
So
for?
are
Yeah,
you going to
what's
give me
the
your IDs
reason?
or are we going to go through all
You
this?
have my ID and I was driving.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to her and to you.
Didn't I tell you no already? You got rocks in your ear?
Okay.
Give me your ID since we have nothing to hide so we can go on our way.
Smart.
No, you're not going to violate my rights.
Okay. We want to be
But-
violation
And
of
what
rights.
vehicle
So
did
Sure, it
we?
would be.
I have a question though, because you're at a stoplight heading this way.
Anything to you.
Hold on.
You guys-
You're at a stoplight heading this way. I passed you. As soon as you seen me, you actually made an illegal change because you were in the turning lane, waited for the light to turn as it changed, and then you cut everybody off to get behind me.
Correct.
All right. I'm not going to leave just because you guys are recording.
No, we're not. I'm not asking you
We're
that.
not asking you to.
I'm just asking you, why did you really stop me? I didn't cut a car off.
You did. You didn't. You signaled like as you turned.
I signaled before I turned to get over because I'm gonna
200 feet.
I'm gonna turn right there. I'm not from here, so I didn't know that the
Pass me
turn's
your
right
ID,
there.
please. Thank you. And yours, sir?
You get nothing from me, sir. I told you you're not violating my rights.
Hop out of the car and stand
What
right
am I
here
going to get out of the car for?
Rick.
Rick,
I'm not getting.
Give me your ID.
I'm obligated to nothing for you.
You are.
I am
promise
not.
you.
Rick.
I am not.
Rick,
I'm not walking back to my car without you.
give him your ID so we can get on our way.
I'm not giving you nothing.
Rick, listen to me.
Rick, give it to him.
Give him the
Yo.
ID so we can go on our way. Rick,
Hold on.
Hop out of the car.
give this
Hold on.
motherfucker the ID.
I'm not driving.
Rick, give
I
it
got
to him.
nothing to do with this stuff.
Hey, listen, sir.
He's obligated, not me.
At this point, the only one inside or outside the car who's taking a righteous stand is Rick. The officer seems to be lying about the reason for the stop in the first place, stating that it was because the driver cut a car off. The cop says that he's not going back to the car until he collects IDs from everyone. He's absolutely using his power to intimidate, and now Rick's friends are pressuring him to submit to tyranny.
And
Sir,
please
what?
don't
Do
touch
not
him.
touch me, yes.
Don't touch
I
him.
promise you. If
not
I'm
touch
telling you to get out, you need to get out.
No,
promise
you
you, no, I do
grabbing
not.
my door and opening it?
Yeah, you do not.
You
need
do
to
not
open
need to
the
do
door.
that.
You don't need
Now
to
you're,
touch that door.
Hey, sir, you'll be placed under arrest right now just for
For what though?
For what?
Okay, stepping out, put your hands behind
For
your back.
what? What is he doing?
Yeah, what am I under arrest for?
Rick,
Hold on.
listen to me, Rick. Give me your ID so we can
Give
leave.
it to him.
Give him your ID
I want his
so we
name.
can leave.
He's not gonna
Listen to me.
violate my rights.
Okay,
Nope.
but so what?
Call your boss.
We already know how to
Call
deal
the
with this.
captain. Nope.
We already know how
Call
to
the
deal with
captain.
this. Rick,
Rick.
listen
Yeah,
to
we
me.
do. Call the
Listen
captain.
to me,
You're
Rick.
not the highest ranking motherfucker here
Rick,
right now.
brother,
in San Bernardino Valley.
listen to me.
Or
Rick.
county.
Now.
So call your captain, call your
Rick.
boss, call your superior. I don't give a f. You're gonna call
Rick.
somebody.
Let's go to the
above
lake.
you.
Give him your ID. Let's go to the lake.
No, he's calling someone above him. He is not the top ranked person here in San Bernardino County.
Just give him your fucking ID. You ain't got nothing to hide. Give him your fucking ID.
You should know.
Let him violate your
I am not
rights.
The driver already said so what about the cop trying to violate Rick's rights.
He's not gonna
Listen to me.
violate my rights.
Okay,
No.
but so what?
So we know how little he thinks about American freedoms. Now the driver is employing the same police terminology that the cops use to get Rick to submit. You've got nothing to hide, so give him your ID. Let him violate your rights, because going to the lake is way more important than standing up against tyranny that's trying to take away all of our freedoms. If we all maintain the driver-slave mentality, maybe the day will come when the Sergeant Abernathys of the world won't even think we have the freedom to go to the lake.
Required to give you anything.
Your friend.
No, you're not going to violate my rights. I'm not going to do anything just because you think it's right. No. I don't owe
And
you
next
my
time?
ID. Tell me the law that says I got to give you my ID.
I'm telling you to step out of the car.
No, that's not the law.
It is a law.
No,
You
I'm
can look
not
it up on your
driving
phone
this
right now. Look it
vehicle.
up on your phone.
No, I'm not going to look up the phone bit. I am not driving the vehicle. I got nothing.
So,
to do with
as
this.
him as a passenger, as I'm being stopped for a traffic stop, he has to ID.
Yeah, no, I do not.
Is that true?
Sir,
Can you tell me the law?
we're asking you a question, sir.
You asking me a question?
Yes.
It's not my traffic stop.
But is that the law that he has to ID himself?
You can ask him the questions. It's not my traffic.
Okay, then get off my f***ing car. Don't touch my car. Don't touch my car. Don't touch my car.
What's your problem?
It's not your stop, so don't touch my car.
All right, that's fine.
What's
Because
your
the
name
way
and
that
badge number?
your partner
Rick.
opened my car door.
Badge number, name right here.
Or Casillas? Rick,
It's Casillas.
let him run your ID. You got nothing to
Let
hide.
him.
It's right there. You
Let's go to the
We
lake.
understand that. We got it.
You know, he was headed the opposite way at the stoplight. As soon as he seen what I looked like, he blocked traffic just to stop me, and then lied and said that I cut a car off.
And then we stopped. at
Even the
red light.
locals pulled up
The
and said,
locals
"He's
"Hey, they're
harassing
on
you."
What did you guys do? Understood. So when he steps back, step to the side.
What is your name?
Sergeant Abernathy.
Sergeant Abernathy.
Badge number?
2? So you stopped me because you said I cut off a car?
And for tailgating.
And for tailgating.
Your ticket.
Has nothing to do with when I passed you and you said that what I look like?
And you have something hanging in your rearview mirror.
I have what?
You have something hanging in your rearview mirror.
Of course you would. Don't touch my car.
Hey there.
Yep.
Here's your ID back.
Thank you very much.
And this is your ID. This is your citation today. You're getting cited for tailgating, not having insurance, and making an unsafe lane change. Here's your signature right here in the red box. It's not admitting guilt. It's just a promise to appear in court.
You have
so.
dash cam video?
No.
No, not on your car? I do in mine.
Okay.
Where am I signing?
In the red box.
So you don't need my insurance.
Huh?
You don't need proof of my insurance. This guy just said I
You said
could.
you didn't have it.
No, I didn't.
You said you couldn't find it.
We gave you the opportunity to provide it and you didn't.
We're not gonna sit here and wait all day.
There's a timeline in how long she has to find it?
Yeah, if you're delaying us,
Okay.
you'll be arrested.
Get
All right.
out of here.
Delaying who?
That's fine. Don't even worry about it.
Here's your copy.
That's it. We're done.
Have a wonderful
I'm free to
day.
go.
Yep.
I'll see you again.
Yeah,
Try
we
not to
will.
harass anybody today.
Yeah.
Uphold the law. Don't harass people.
And the what? They gave Danny a ticket saying for tailgating, for cutting in front of somebody else.
I need to get out of the parking lot.
I'll show you all the videos.
Okay. Yeah, don't even worry about it. Don't let that ruin your day. Take the ticket, thank them, and we'll go to court and buy it. No big deal. No worries.
I personally think Rick did us all proud. In the face of tyranny and in the face of his friends trying to throw him under the bus, Rick did not fold, he did not cave, he didn't bend, he didn't bow. He stood firm and he knew he was right. Under pressure. Leave your thoughts about this for the world and the global thought police in the comments section below. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, grab a shirt, become a channel member, but more importantly, do like Rick. Stand for your rights. If you don't stand for your rights, if you don't flex your rights, you will lose your rights. Freedom is dangerous. The only thing more dangerous is not having freedom. I'll see you in the next video.